Hey guys, welcome to 2.5, 2.6 review. This is page 2. We will cover number 5 through number 8. So, please read your directions. First step, identify the center, the vertices, co-vertices, foci, length of the major and length of the minor. Okay? Length of the major, length of the minor, and then sketch the graph. So these are the things you have to do. I'm going to go show you guys how to do it all on the graph. So let's see what we need to find. We need to find the center. We need to find the vertices, co-vertices, foci, your major, and your minor. Those are the lengths. Okay? So those are what we have to do. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, find your center. Your center is always your h and your k. So this will be -1. There's no k there, so it's a 0. So your center is -1 and 0. Your a is 25. So a squared is equal to 25. A is equal to plus or minus 5. Okay? That's your a. Your b is 36. So b squares is equal to 36. Therefore, b is equal to plus or minus 6. Boy, that's awfully close. Let me see if I can make that. Let's see a little bit. There you go. All right. So we got our information here. So we got our a and we got our b. Okay. Now we are going to graph. From your center, your a is under the x, so I'm going to go left 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right 5 places because it's under the x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X-axis. Okay? Your y, from your center, up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there you have your ellipse. Okay? Now, I'm going to just mark a few things. That there is 5, and your major is 6, just to help you guys a little bit. Okay. All right. Knowing that, let's go ahead and find a few things. Your major is the length. The major is always your longest. Since this is my longest, this is 6 plus 6 makes that 12. Your minor is the shorter one. 5 plus 5 is 10. And there's your length of the minor. Your vertices is always your major, okay? So the major goes this way, so my vertices for this one is -1, 6, and this one is -1, -6. Your co-vertices is always along your minor, so this point right here is -6, 0, and this point right here is 4, 0. Okay? Your foci. Your foci is always this formula right here. C equals the square root of a squared minus b squared. Now, it can also be b squared minus a squared, depending on which is the bigger number. You always do the biggest minus the smallest. In this case, square root of a squared is 5, and b is 6. So I'm going to do 36 minus 25. C is equal to square root of 11, which comes out to be 3.3. Yep. Okay, so there's your C. So from your center, it's always going to be along your major. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, a little bit above. There's your foci. Center, 1, 2, 3, a little bit below. There's your foci. And what is that point? -1, 3.3, -1, -3.3. And there you have your foci for number 5. Number 6, okay? Same thing, so let's go ahead and label a few things. Center, vertices, co-vertices, foci, major, and your minor. Those are the things you need. All right, let's go ahead and graph. Your center is -2, 0. So I'm going to go negative 2, 0. Your A is 5, okay? Plus or minus 5, square root of 25. Your B is plus or minus 6. So from here I'm going to go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it's below the x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there you have your ellipse. Make it as nice as possible. Don't be crazy, okay? All right, let's look this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this distance is 6. So that tells you my major is going to be along my y-axis. Major, 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 plus 5 is 10. This vertices is along your major, so that point is negative 2, comma 6. And this one is negative 2, negative 6. Okay. Co-vertices. This one, negative 7, 0. And this one is 3, comma 0. Foci. C equals. B is bigger, so 36 minus 25, which comes out to be square root of 11, which is 3.3. Oh, this seems like a redundant on number 7. So, from here, we're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3, a little over, foci. 1, 2, 3, a little under, foci. Okay. So what is that coordinate right here? This coordinate is negative 2, 3.3. And negative 2, negative 3.3. So there you have your foci. Number 7. Okay? Let's write out what we need. Center. Ooh. Vertices. Co-vertices. Foci. Major. Minor. All right. Center here is 0, 0. Okay. Your A is plus or minus 6. Your B is plus or minus 7. Take a square root. Okay. So, A, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because it's under x. Positive 6. Positive 7. Negative 7. I need to touch that. There we go. Is that better? Okay. Best as I could. All right. Major. Let's see. From here to here is 6. From here to here is 7. This is also a stretch. Okay. So your major is 7 plus 7 is 14. Minor 6 plus 6 is 12. Major vertices 0, 7. 0, negative 7. Co-vertices, negative 6, 0, 6, comma 0. Okay. Foci. C is equal to square root of 49 minus 36, which is square root of 13, which comes out to be 3.6. Way to think of it is square root of 16 is 4, and then square root of 9 is 3, so it's somewhere between 3 and 4, and 9 and 16, so 13 is about halfway, so 3.5, 3.6, something that you can do, okay? Here we go. Foci, 3.6. So from the center, 1, 2, 3.6, 1, 2, 3.6. So your foci is 0, 3.6, 0, negative 3.6. There's number 7. Number 8. Okay. Gotta have your center. Gotta have your vertices, co-vertices, foci, major, and your minor. Here we go. Center, 0, 2, 0, 2. Okay. A is plus or minus 2, B is plus or minus 3. A is under X, so I'm going to go 2 to the left, 2 to the right, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down. Oh, they're all stretch. Okay, they're all stretch. We should have had some compression. Okay, here we go. Major, 3 plus 3 is 6. Minor, 2 plus 2 is 4. This right here, let me go a little higher. There we go. All right. Vertices, this one is 0, 5, 0, negative 1. Co-vertices, the shorter one, so negative 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, both sides. C equals square root of 9 minus 4, which is square root of 5, which is about like 2.1, 2.2, yeah, 2.2. From the center, 1, 2. 1, 2. So your foci is 2. What is that? 4.2. And this right here is 1, 2. Oh, just 0.2 over. There's your 0. Okay. And there you have your foci. And that's it on number 8. And there you have your second page. Okay. Good luck on your quiz. Bye.